Let's understand switch statement in Go. So switch statement provides a concise way to evaluate multiple conditions and execute code based on the value of an expression. So this is the basic syntax of the switch statement. Here you can provide your expression and whatever the value matches, the corresponding code block is executed. Let's take an example. So here we have a variable day that contains the value Tuesday. Now in switch expression we have given day, that means it will compare this value to every case. Here we have given Monday, that is not equal to the value of this variable, so it is not the match case. Now coming to the next case, here the value will match. So it will execute the corresponding code block, that is this. And once it found the match case, it will come out of this switch block. How does it execute? So we have the value of Tuesday. Here this is a match case and it will execute the match code block and the value it is printing it's Tuesday. Now there is a default case. Suppose none of the case matches here. Let's take a value 1, 2, 3, and in this way we do not have any match case here. In this way it will execute the default code block that says invalid day. Now you will see that here we have given two values. That means if the value is Saturday or Sunday, it will be executing this line. Suppose I have a value Saturday, so I'll give the value Saturday here, run the code. In that case, it is not comparing the second value, but if we are giving comma, that means we are saying that if the value is this or if the value is this, then it will be executing the further block of code. So in general, what we understand that switch statement executes only the code block associated with the first matching case. However, if we want to execute multiple cases followed by a matched case, then in that case we can use Fallthrough statement. At the end of code block in every case, we will give Fallthrough statement. So in every case, I will give this statement first. And then let's say we have a matched case for Thursday. Let's take a value Thursday for day. Now how will it go? It will first go to the first case. It will not match. Then it will go to Tuesday. It will also not match. Same for Wednesday. Then it will come to the fourth case. That is Thursday. Here first it will print it's Thursday. Then it find Fallthrough statement. That means it will jump on the next code block irrespective of condition matches or not. So after getting the Fallthrough statement, it will go to this block where it will print it's Friday. Again it is getting Fallthrough, so it will come back to the next block. It will print its weekend, and here also it is getting Fallthrough, so it will print the default statement as well. Let's see. So first it is coming to the matched case, then it is getting Fallthrough, so it is printing its Friday as well, then coming to the next block and then jump to the default statement as well. So in this way also you can use the switch statement. However, while using Fallthrough statement, be more careful because in that case it is just simply jumping on the next block. It is not verifying any condition. I hope this video helps you to understand well. If it is, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, happy coding. Thank you.